Hi guys, welcome to another vlog of Life Where It Takes. So this is my third video and I'm not sure if you guys have seen the other two videos. If you guys have not, please ensure that you guys go back and check that out. Guys, now I realized another problem of a new vlogger. I'm sure the first part of the video you found something disturbing. That was my fan right there. So I decided to turn that off so that you guys will get a better audio. So reason for this vlog is I'm planning to go back to my hometown, which is Kerala, and towards the end of the month. So I will be showing that journey through the video. But in the meanwhile, today I got some packets in my home. So I just want to show you guys. वैसे पहले दोनों वीडियोस में there was no face to the channel and that's the reason I decided to bring this to you guys. So without further ado, let's start with getting the packets. So I know that either someone has to throw the packet to me or else I need to show something like this and the packet should appear. So I think it's better I will pick it up one by one, right? That's packet number one. I do not know what is inside this. This is packet number two, packet number three, and finally packet number four. So these are 4 packets. So I will open these packets with you. Unfortunately, I'm not here to do an unboxing because I did an unboxing for Adafruit's tripod. If you have not seen it, please go ahead and check that. And I'm not sure if I do this unboxing again, my channel will turn out to be a unboxing or a technical channel, which I did not want it to be. So I just want to show you guys. So let's open. I think let's see what all has come. And please do not think I'm a ambassador of Amazon because you see all the packets coming from Amazon. It is just that there are only 2 reasons. One, I have an Amazon Prime membership, which means that I would be getting products a little faster. Second, I've seen due to some reason most of the review products has a link in Amazon. So this is the first packet. Okay. So you want to see that open? Okay. All right. So this. I am sure that you guys can see it clearly, is an Unazi cover for my GoPro, but my GoPro has not come up. Okay, that's the first one. I'll open it and show you guys, but first let me just get all these boxes away. This is the second one. Okay, and this is another mount adapter for putting my mobile onto a tripod. That's the second one. And this I know what is it. These 2 packets I did not know. I did not read the label. But this one is a memory card. Because for the GoPro I would require a memory card. The SanDisk 128 GB memory card. So now I did not know the difference between a normal SD card and the one which is used for a camera, DSLR or a GoPro. So for a person who does not know, like me, the only difference is the speed of writing and reading. So basically, if it's a phone, it does not require a lot of processing, and the phone is not ideally meant for fast processing of photos and videos. However, for your DSLR and GoPro, you require a lot of videos to be shot in 4K or high quality. So for that means, if at all your SD card is not powerful enough to write it that fast, then probably it'll start hanging. So this is one which I got. Now the final box. So this is the biggest of all. Now let's see. And this is the most expensive of all. Okay, and this is how the packet looks like. I shall put this cover aside and I'll have this opened. Since I did not tell what is contents of each of these boxes, probably you guys also would be excited. So this is how I open the packet. And there you go. It's a new GoPro 8. So I shall put this aside and show you guys what all of these items are. How did I get it? What price did I get it? And why did I get the GoPro 8 for? So these are the items, guys. So first of all, I'll start with each of these products. How much did I get it for? So this is the Ulanzi cover. This is a silicone cover for the GoPro Hero 8. So why did I get it? It's like the customary for any new product we get. We basically want a cover. When we get a mobile, we obviously go for a cover. I know it's not a hardbound case, but still I did not want to take out my GoPro without a protection. So this is basically a normal silicone cover, and it is okay. What is interesting is it came up with this tag, so it is easy. If I want to put it into my hand, this is very easy. This I got it again from Amazon. I got it for 600 rupees. So I would be putting in the link for each of these items, so it is easier, and it has got a cap as well. So it is good because I can protect the lens cover. So this would be helpful. And this is a Osvita mount adapter. This is basically just a mobile holder for keeping in the tripod stand. I already have a mount holder, but the only reason I got it for is because of the screw. So I'm not very confident to putting, there are a lot of options available with the spring. So I'm pretty not confident to keep my phone because it may fall off. That's the only reason I got it with the screw. The plastic is not that great. It does not look very sturdy, but it will do the purpose. It's got the screw right here and second option right here. So either you can screw it like this to the tripod, or else you can do it either ways. And you got the screw so that you can put it to whichever angle you want, and then you can screw it tight. And this one is basically to it depends on the size of your phone, and then you can screw it and make it tight. This I got it for 300 rupees again from Amazon, so I would be putting the link for this. Now this is a SanDisk Extreme micro SD card which I was talking about. What you guys need to look for is this A2. That is a specification for a DSLR or even for a GoPro or any of that sort. It says for faster app loading and performance, and this is a speed you need to look for, 160. It is not necessary that you need to go up all the way till 160. You can even stick on to anything above 100 and 120 should be good enough. So it says up to 160 Mbps read rate and 90 Mbps write rate. So this I got for 2,700 rupees from Amazon. You have the same one with the bigger adapter, which is useful if you want to put it to a laptop, which is coming to around 3,500 rupees. Since I would be putting it to the GoPro, that's the reason I did not go for the adapter. However, the return price, it says 3,400. All right, so this is the SanDisk. Now finally, the GoPro. So this is the most expensive thing which I got. So this says what stands out from GoPro 7 and GoPro 8 is the Hypersmooth version 2. That's an upgrade. That's the reason I went for this. So it says it's 12 megapixel camera. It can record at 4K 60 frames per second. It is waterproof up to 33 feet. That's about 10 meters. And it says about 1080p live streaming as well. And on the side, it says initially the same thing, 12 megapixel, the camera is 12 megapixel, 4K 60 FPS, and 180 with 240 FPS. You have an option of shooting at slow-mo at 8x. Hypersmooth 2, I will speak about Hypersmooth in a few minutes. It's got an option of Time Wrap 2.0, 1080p live streaming, live burst, super photo with HDR. It has an option of shooting video in RAW. And it has got voice commands as well. So in this, I was speaking about Hypersmooth 2. This basically is making, if you would have seen any footage which comes through the GoPro, you will see there's beautiful stabilization. Basically, even if you're riding a bike or you are doing a motovlogging, this is very helpful because it gives an awesome stabilization for your picture or video. And that is what the specialty of Hypersmooth 2.0 is. And again, it's got the 1-year warranty card. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. So let's get this opened. So this is the warranty card. I'll keep it aside. Now is the favorite part. So this is something which you need to look for because this is a seal. If this is not if this is not there, that means someone has already tampered with the product. So I'm happy that I got a tamper-proof material or something which has not been played around with. Okay, and this is how the GoPro looks like. Now let's see what is there inside. So again, it has got some reading materials which we especially do not have a habit of reading. Again, some material, have questions, not at the moment. They give you 2 stickers. Probably if you want to put it onto your helmet or something, they give you 2 options of the same thing which you get for any Apple product. Every Apple product you get a sticker. And obviously bigger books. And finally what we have here. Okay. We have one mount. This is basically probably, if you see, it's a curved one. So probably it's for putting onto a helmet. And this, they give the cable to be connected to a laptop. And this is the battery. So this is a 1220 mAh battery. So if you see, this GoPro does not come with a separate battery charger. So the only option is you need to put the battery inside the GoPro. You need to connect it to any adapter and put this battery for charging. So finally we'll have the GoPro removed. Alright, so you need to get the screw out. And there you go. So what stands out is this already comes with a mount which is inbuilt. So this is how you screw it up. So this is how the sides look like. It's got the mode button here. And there's the lens. So the GoPro has mic 1 is here. You have another mic, if you would see right here, and third mic is right here. All right. And on the side, this is where you put your battery. So you need to pull it down and you can pull it open. So you can put the battery right here. This is where you can connect your USB. And if you could see, this is where you put your memory card. All right. So that is how this looks. So if you want me to switch it on, hold on. So I'll put in the battery. So this is how it goes. All right, it goes inside. It's logged. So now one interesting fact about the GoPro batteries is, if you would see, there's no locking mechanism. So this is just hangs in there, and due to any factor, if you want, usually what happens is, if you want to connect a mic adapter, the only option is to connect it the mode right here. The adapter has to be connected here. That means this door has to come off because it will not close. And when that happens, this was not intentional, accidentally fell off, but that is what I want to say exactly. So if your GoPro is like this, if you're going through heavy, maybe you're doing moto vlogging or you're going for extreme sports, there is a lot of chance that this battery can come off. It is not that easy. See, if you see, there's a little bit of tension there, but however, there's a chance that it may not come off entirely, but it can get disconnected and probably your videos may not get recorded. So since I've put the battery, let's see, it is quite difficult to get it out of. Yeah. So this goes the cover, and let's power it on. Oh yeah, so this is how the clarity is. It says GoPro. I have not inserted the memory card, so it will not allow me to record anything. Legal says, okay, agree. GPS by one. Oh. So this is how I've not inserted the SD card, so I will not be able to give you show you how the video is recorded. But I just want to show you guys how the view is, how the clarity is. If you see, yeah, it is pretty good. So that's the reason why GoPros are known for. I can see it's only 8%, so I will just switch it off. Since I already told you guys I'm not doing a technical vlog, I would not be showing you guys how this works. And you can see there is a display right here. Basically it says is how much space your SD card has got for recording, how much battery it's got, and as well as what mode are you recording it for. All right, this is what the basic information you get. So guys, let's keep that's it for today's vlog of multiple boxes unboxing. I shall leave in the description the link for each of these products which I got from Amazon. So if any of you guys want to buy it, you can buy it. The only one product which I saw the rates fluctuating too much is the GoPro itself, because in multiple sites and from multiple sellers I got the rate ranging from almost 35 to 32, and I got this for 30,990. So you can see the fluctuation. So this is something which you need to look out for. So that's it for now, guys. Until we see on the next video of Life Where It Takes, it's thus with Ania from my side. And guys, please do not forget to do your part. I've done my part of showing you guys this video. please do not forget to do your part, that is show your love and support to me by doing like, share and subscribe, and please share with your friends. Maybe you may not be helpful with these videos, but maybe they would love to see these kind of videos. And also feel free to write in the comment section if you want to see any specific kind of videos. Well, my area of expertise would be hospitality. There would be videos coming up related to hospitality. If anyone is in the hospitality industry, you guys have any doubts, anything you guys want to know, you can write it to me. I will be more than happy to answer that to you guys. And there are some traveling coming up in the future. I shall keep you guys posted with the same. So, bye bye.